So if you want to dump that into his little bucket.
Look at those frickin' chickens.
Look at my baby goat right here. Oh, she's so cute. What you doing, little girlie? What you doing?
I bet you can't wait till he
Oh,
gets
she loves me.
power down here, huh?
I can't wait. I think what we should do is.
Hey, pig, pig.
You're so cute. You're so cute and tiny.
Well,
Okay, thanks, Cody. Look, chickens are stupid. They're like steers. The steers poke their head through a fence to get a drink instead of just going to their water dish. Hello?
Hello, McFly.
Leaving.
Your bus is leaving. Bye, pig, pig. In case you're wondering what the temperature is in Tooele,